Today, let's draw a yummy donut. Step 1. Make a big, round circle for the donut. Then, add a smaller circle in the middle. Let's add the sweet frosting. Draw wavy lines like little ocean. Let's give your donut a happy smile. Last step, draw tiny oval shapes for colorful sprinkles. Good job! Now it's time to color. I'm going to use sweet pink for the frosting. It looks like strawberry flavor. Let's color the donut with light brown. It will make it look perfectly baked. Let's color those sprinkles. Use many colors to make them look like tiny candies. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.